Agricultural application of alkenes and alkenes. Alkanes and alkenes, often viewed as mere industrial chemicals, have surprisingly important roles in modern agriculture. These hydrocarbons, while not always in the spotlight, it helps shape the efficiency and sustainability of farming practices. Alkanes, which include compounds like methane and propane, are crucial in agricultural machinery. For example, powers many tractors and heaters used in greenhouses. These machines and devices are indispensable for planting, tending, and harvesting. By fueling the engines of farm equipment, alkanes enable farmers to work more efficiently, manage larger areas of land, and improve overall productivity. Alkanes helps us transform raw land into beautiful fields to produce. On the other hand, alkenes, with their carbon-carbon double bonds, bring a different set of benefits to agriculture. Ethylene, a prominent alkene, it acts as a plant hormone that regulates fruit ripening, and by controlling the exposure of fruits to ethylene, the farmers can synchronize ripening, ensuring that produce matures at the night. This careful management not only to enhance the fruit quality and uniformity, but also to reduce spoilage and waste. The ability to ripen fruit on demand helps in meeting market demands more effectively and minimize loss. Alkenes are involved in creating biodegradable plastics used in agricultural mulch films help to control soil temperature, moisture, and weed growth. It reduces the need for chemical fertilizers and herbicides. This application promotes a more sustainable approach for farming by minimizing environmental impact and improving soil health. Alkanes and alkenes are integral to agriculture, supporting the machinery that powers farming and the technologies that enhance crop management. Their contributions make the farming more efficient and environmental friendly.